I'm Rebecca, and today I'll be talking through a 5-step guide to optimising your Google shopping campaigns. A good feed is essential to driving efficient results for your Google shopping campaigns. Without a detailed feed, Google cannot be certain which are the best search terms to show your Google shopping ads for. This means that your ad may not be showing for the most relevant search terms, and as a result, you may not be getting the best performance. Ensure to regularly check the hygiene of your feed and make regular updates so that it is rich with accurate and current data. Custom labels are a key aspect of the shopping feed that allow you to segment your campaigns and prioritise products. The way you segment your campaigns helps to guide the way you optimise your Google shopping activity. Align your custom labels with your wider business goals so that you can segment your campaigns in the most impactful way. In doing so, you can then optimise your campaigns to key aspects such as margin and best-selling products. Don't limit the potential of your shopping activity by only looking at last-click revenue. We often find that when shopping is the first touch channel, customers will often return and purchase via direct. If you optimise towards last click only, we may be pulling back in areas that will have a negative impact on other channels, and this means that we are limiting our potential opportunities. Regularly review your first touch performance so you can understand the true value of your shopping activity. Ensure you are reaching the right people by overlaying audiences with your Google shopping campaigns. By overlaying audiences such as remarketing lists, similar audiences and in-market segments, you can then optimise towards where we are seeing the most engaged users. Frequently analyse the performance of your audiences so that you are increasing visibility across the most engaged users and pulling back in areas where customers are not converting. Testing a variety of ad formats allows you to understand what works best for your brand, whilst also building new audiences. For example, showcase shopping ads allow you to increase visibility on generic search queries, whilst YouTube for Action is a great way of building awareness whilst also driving incremental sales. As we get closer to peak season, test a combination of different ad formats so that you can see what works best for you whilst also driving an increase in reach and revenue. If you want to learn more about this, there's loads more over on the blog. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.